You wake up. Before your feet touch the floor, your hand reaches for your phone. Just one quick check. 5 minutes become 20. You scroll through videos, memes, headlines, and notifications. Then you put your phone down, feeling strangely tired. If this happens every day, you're not lazy. You're caught in the dopamine trap. Most people think dopamine is the brain's pleasure chemical. That's not true. Dopamine is your brain's motivation system. It doesn't reward you after you get something. It pushes you to keep searching for the next reward. Thousands of years ago, this kept your ancestors alive. Finding food, discovering water, or spotting danger triggered dopamine because survival depended on staying curious. Back then, rewards were rare. You had to work for them. Today, your brain faces something it was never designed to handle. Infinite rewards. Every notification, every like, every new video promises something exciting. Your brain whispers, maybe the next one will be even better. That single thought is incredibly powerful. Have you ever noticed how it's easy to watch 20 short videos but difficult to read 10 pages of a book? The problem isn't your intelligence. It's the comparison your brain is making. One activity delivers instant rewards every few seconds. The other asks for patience before giving anything back. Social media platforms understand this better than most people do. Their algorithms study what makes you pause, laugh, feel angry, or become curious. Then they serve more of it. Every swipe is unpredictable. Sometimes nothing interesting appears. Then suddenly you find a hilarious clip or a fascinating story. That uncertainty is exactly what keeps you scrolling. It's the same psychological principle used in slot machines. Your brain keeps thinking one more. Slowly something changes. Normal life begins to feel boring. Studying feels harder. Work feels exhausting. Even conversations can seem less exciting than your phone. Not because these things lost their value, but because your brain became used to constant stimulation. Imagine eating candy every hour. After a while, an apple doesn't taste sweet anymore. The apple didn't change. Your taste did. The same thing happens to your attention. When your brain constantly consumes fast entertainment, slower activities lose their appeal. This is why so many people procrastinate. They don't avoid important work because they're weak. They avoid it because their brain has learned to expect immediate rewards. A difficult task can't compete with endless entertainment that's only one tap away. The good news is that your brain can recover. You don't need to throw away your phone or disappear into the mountains. You simply need to teach your brain that not every moment requires stimulation. Go for a walk without headphones. Read a few pages before checking your phone. Exercise. Sleep well. Allow yourself to be bored once in a while. At first, it feels uncomfortable. Your mind keeps searching for the next distraction. But if you stay with that feeling, something remarkable happens. Your focus slowly returns. Simple things become enjoyable again. Reading gets easier. Working feels less painful. Your mind becomes quieter. The dopamine trap isn't about phones. Phones are only the tool. The real trap is believing you must always be entertained. Real growth begins when you stop chasing the next quick reward and start choosing the rewards that actually build your future. So the next time your hand reaches for your phone without thinking, pause for just a second and ask yourself one question. Am I choosing this, or has my brain already chosen for me?